everybody, and welcome back to my channel. And yes, I'm bringing you guys my CVS haul. Yes, I'm a little late. We went to a birthday party, so I was pretty excited about that. It's a good friend of ours that we hang out with every single week, so we went to his birthday party. But I am here to share with you guys what I got at CVS. Now, I was in a hurry, so I didn't get to do like all the deals that I wanted to do. I got the deals that I wrote down, but I wanted to check out other deals, and I'm just like, and I was just kind of in a hurry. I worked this weekend, so yesterday I was up at 3:30 in the morning, so I'm just tired. Didn't get a chance to go to bed because we were with my father, or my in-laws yesterday for a birthday party, so I'm just tired, so I didn't get to do anything yesterday, and then I had to wake up at 6 and start preparing for everything, so I am just like tired and behind on a lot of stuff, so I may or may not go back to CVS. I might go check out some other deals, but I got some pretty good deals that I got today, so I wanted to share with you guys what I got. Now, I do two transactions. I do one with my other card, or one with my older card and one with my newer card. This time I actually had a better deal with my newer card than I did with my older card. So I'm here to share with you guys what I got. So my store only had one of the Oral-B toothbrushes. I might go check a different store later on this week, but these were $5.19. You guys want to use that $1 off coupon that we got in today's P&G. You guys would end up paying $4.19, but you guys get $4 back in an ECB, making it just 19 cents. I think that's a great deal for toothbrushes. I also had a 4 off of 14 mouthwash slash toothbrush slash toothpaste CRT, so I used it towards that. So I ended up getting these and some mouthwash. So I got pretty much all that stuff for free. My store was also sold out of the scope, which I wanted to do that deal, so I might go back and check out a different store and see if they have scope. But my store had the Crest Pro Health, which I actually really like the purple one. This is actually my favorite, so I was excited to get these. I need to start using more mouthwash lately. I've been trying Listerine, and that's just like wakes you up. It wakes you up. But pretty excited to get the purple mouthwash because there's no alcohol in here, so that's why I like this. This was $4.99. I used that $1 off coupon that we got in today's paper. I had that 4 off of 4, plus I had that 1 off of 6. But if you guys don't have those CRTs, you guys would pay $3.99 for this, but then you guys will get $3 back in an ECB, making it 99 cents. If you have that 1 off of 6 CRT, you guys would get this for free, and then if you had that 4 off of 14, it ends up becoming a moneymaker. So I ended up getting 2 of those because my store had a ton of these, but I'm probably going to go back and do the scope deal because it's 2 different deals, so I definitely want to go back and do those deals just because I really want to stock up on mouthwash. That's something I really don't have in my stockpile lately, so wanted to share with you guys with that deal. Now, I did the NYX deal where you buy 2, you get them for $11.98. So you guys would pay $11.98, but then you guys will end up getting $10 back, making these making these $1.98 or just 99 cents a piece. So I thought that is a pretty good deal. I will be having another garage sale soon, and the reason is because I really want to get rid of all of my stockpile, and I feel like I'm not my husband's mowing the lawn right now. I feel like if I have a garage sale, I still help a ton of people. Like they went to my garage sale last time, everybody's like, when are you gonna have another one? I'm having people messaging me, when are you gonna have another one, because my prices were awesome. I'm gonna change my prices a little bit because of all the coupon limits, but husband's right behind me. So I do want to have another one just so I can start fresh again for this winter. So if you guys want to see another preparation for that video, please let me know. I'm not gonna have it till like the middle of September when it's a little bit cooler and not so hot outside. So just want to give you guys a heads up that I went crazy on the Pantene deal. I got a lot of shampoo and conditioner. So the bigger Pantenes, which the shampoo is in the 20.1 ounce, but the conditioner's in the 17, so I had to go back and make sure I got the shampoo. So it says if you guys buy, oh, that's probably one of mine. So if you guys go and buy a shampoo for $5, these are 3 for $12, but I had those buy one get one of these for free coupons. So the coupon takes up to $5.99 off max. So you bought both of these pretty much for like $10 for the both of those, but these were like 3 for $12, so they're about $4 a piece. These were $5, and then I also did the 3 for $12 just regular. So I ended up using a 5 off of 3 coupon. I used that buy one get one free. I used 2 of those coupons, so my total pretty much came to like $30 even. After those coupons, you guys would pay $11.52 for all 7 items, but then you guys will get a $10 ECB, making it $1.52 or just 22 cents a piece, and I think that is a great deal. I might even go back and do that on my other card. Oh, and then you also have that $1.50 app coupon, which I can't remember if I added that to that. I can't remember. I think I did. So it'll be $11.52 with that $1.50. So I think that is a great deal on shampoo and conditioner. I just had access to one of my apps, so I just will add that later. But 22 cents for that. And then I had a 3 off of 2 Suave CRT, and then we had those 3 off of 2 coupons. So I got these are 2 for $6. I got these absolutely free. Cannot go wrong with free shampoo and conditioner. So I wanted to do that deal. Now I ended up getting that deal on both of my cards. So when I can get freebies, I actually do it because, you know, I just love getting stuff for free. So I did that deal again with the Suave Gold. Now for my newer card, I had a 4 off of 30 CRT. I've been getting those last couple weeks on the end of my receipts when I pay for stuff. So I ended up using that. My newer card, or my older card, I had an 8 off of 60. So I wanted to make sure I had $60 worth of stuff, and I needed to spend like $6 to get $8 off. So I'm like, I have to do this. I have to do this. So I wasn't going to do this deal originally, but I'm like, with that 8 off of 60, I'm like, I'm going to do this deal. So I did the mouthwash deal again. I just used the regular $1 off coupon. So I got these each for 99 cents. But then if you can think about it, I got that 8 off of 60. So that ended up becoming free for me. I did the the Clairol hair dye. These were 2 for $14. I used a 6 off of 2 coupon that were on coupons.com. I didn't even write my math down. You guys end up paying what? $8? $8. I'm sorry, I didn't even write my math down. But you guys would pay $8 for this. But then you guys will get a $2 ECB for buying 2 of them. You guys will get a $2 rebate on Ibotta for this one, and a $2 rebate for Ibotta on this one, making them just $2. But if you guys think about it, I had that 8 off of 60, so I ended up getting these both for free. Now, I already did the deal, but if you guys do this deal already, or once, you guys will get a $1 bonus. But I already did that deal at Walgreens, so I didn't get that $1 bonus, so I wanted to share with you guys with that. I ended up doing the next deal with that card because I just wanted to get some lip stuff, so I got some more lip stuff. I did the eyebrow pencils. Now these were buy two, get a $5 ECB. So these were both $4.69. I used $3 off of 2 coupons that were on coupons.com. You guys would just pay $5.98 for these. But then you guys will get a $5 ECB, making it just 98 cents or 49 cents a piece. So I have so much eyebrow pencils, it's ridiculous. But I'm like, whatever, I'm not going to complain for something like that. And then I ended up doing the Rimmel brow. Now these were $4.69. You guys want to use 2 of those $2 off eye coupons. You guys would pay $4.38 for these. But then you guys will get a $5 rebate, making it just 38 cents for the both of these. So I wanted to do that. But yeah, that was my haul. I went crazy over the mouthwash and the shampoo and conditioner. One thing I do want to mention, if you guys have the Suave, make sure you guys scan your receipts. You guys get points. I ended up getting a 15,000 point or 1,500 point bonus because it said I needed to buy 2. So I ended up getting that. So with my old card, I had that 8 off of 60. It came to $5.72. I ended up using $23 worth of ECBs, but then I received $26 back. I ended up getting 1,560 points, which is equivalent to $1.50 in points. So that came to $1.22. But then I also got $4 back with Ibotta. So that became a $2.78 moneymaker. I am pretty excited about that. So that was 12 items I got all for free. My newer card, I had a 4 off of 30. My total came to $5.25. I used $23 worth of ECBs, but then I received $28 back. I got only 60 points with Fetch Rewards with that. So that came out to be just 25 cents. If you guys add both transactions together, it came to a $2.53 moneymaker. So I got absolutely everything for free. All 26 items for free, I think is a pretty good deal. I'm probably going to go back. I hate to say this. I always say this. I'm probably going to go back, but I might go back. I got Wednesdays free now because Ben's in school, so I thought maybe, you know, when I go pick him up, I can maybe go run to CVS. So you guys might want to see another CVS haul. I know you guys want to. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys haven't already, please subscribe to my channel so I know you guys enjoy it. I love sharing deals with you guys. And if you guys haven't joined Fetch Rewards, I highly recommend it. It is my second favorite app. You guys can click my link below and you guys will get 2,000 points, which is equivalent to $2, and you guys can start redeeming stuff at 3. One thing I noticed is they used to have the CVS card on there. They took it off, but if you guys have enough points, you guys can actually get Visa cards. Scratch that. Yeah, no, that's a long story. Because I tried getting the Visa credit card and tried buying a CVS gift card, but it didn't work. I ended up having to do raise.com and buy it. It's a long story. So never mind. Don't do that. Don't do that. But yes, I hope you guys enjoyed everything, and I will see you guys all later. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.